hi Mitali.
Hi,
Congratulations
Vijay.
on getting both your offers from University of Galloway and University College Dublin.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I am feeling pretty good about myself. Like I was like when I first came to you guys, I wasn't really sure how it's gonna go. And we have applied to 2 universities till now, and I got both the offers. It's really good. I did not expect that.
Brilliant, brilliant. So, Naman, you want to start off with the session?
Yeah, hi Mitali. Congratulations
Hi,
on
Naman.
both offers.
Thank you.
So, you have interacted with other consultants before.
Right. Yeah.
What made you to choose and go with IT study abroad?
So most of the consultancies that I have interacted with before had a fixed set of colleges that they wanted to help with. They had a list of B-tier colleges, but I had my own list. I wanted to apply to public universities of Germany, and whatever else was, I needed that 8-tier colleges, right? But most consultancies didn't want to help with that. So that was one of the major reasons why I chose immigration experts. And I did find, I think, 1 or 2 other consultancies which were ready to help with those colleges, the ones that I wanted, but they were way out of my budget. And initially, to be honest, immigration experts was also out of my budget, but then they met me halfway and they made their services accessible to me. So that's the reason why I chose.
Great. So, at the start of your journey, what were the qualities you were looking for in a consultancy to help you with?
So one of things that I mentioned before, the colleges that so that was not that I was getting everywhere. One major point was that. And second thing that I was looking for, I needed help to figure out what courses that I should apply to. I had some idea, but still I was a bit confused about whether I should go with this or that would be a better option. What do the companies want? And I got that kind of guidance here. So that was a big plus point. So yeah, this is what I was looking for. And something that was not crazy expensive and I can afford. Yeah, that is what I was looking for.
So I hope you not gonna mind if I'm gonna ask you what the consultancies, name of the consultancies. Can you please tell us, like you were in touch with?
I don't think I should, honestly.
No, you can go ahead with it.
I to be honest, like all the major ones, like I think I talked to, I don't remember the name of all of them. I think I talked to Leaf Scholar, TCS Global, and a couple of more, but I don't remember the name of all of them. So I talked to a lot of people before I got to you guys. So yeah.
So Vijay, would you like to ask some questions?
Yeah. Mitali, you came to us, when you came to us, you were looking to multiple different countries and everything. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we came down to 2 countries that you wanted to target, finalize on. But before we get into that, can you just summarize your overall experience of your application to Ireland?
Overall experience, I would if I have to describe it in one word, it's gonna be smooth. Like the entire process was really smooth. First, I got a lot of help with figuring out the colleges that would be in those rankings that I want, and the courses that would help me plan out the career that I want. And then you guys basically took care of everything from applications, SOPs, scholarships, payments. I didn't have to, I barely had time outside of work, and I did not have to do, you guys did majority of the work. So it was really good. And plus, another thing that you guys were always accessible to me. I contacted you. I think I even texted at times 3 in the morning at times when I had some doubts and everything. So that was a really smooth process. That's what I would say. Yeah, amazing.
So Vijay made it a cakewalk for you.
Sorry? Yeah, oh, definitely, yes.
So, Mitali, were there any particular aspects about the service that you really liked and something that you didn't like you want to highlight about that?
Things that I like. First, you helped me figure out the courses that I should take up. I was confused what I need, right? but you help me figure out, okay, what I want, what's my end goal, what I want out of my career, and so what kind of companies I can get into, and now what those companies are expecting out of the graduates. So based on that, you help me figure out what courses would be best and what universities would help me align with that. So helping with that, the entire process, I think when I was trying to do that on my own in 2023, I spent over half a year over that, and I couldn't do that on my own. So that was one of the major things that was amazing. And second that I would like to say is, again, the accessibility. I could text you guys anytime, call you whenever, and you guys would always answer, help me clarify my doubts and with everything. And I have a lot of questions, I know that. So yeah.
So, Mithali, there is one question into my mind. Like, in what way did BJ help you in finalizing the university and country of your choice or preference? Can you please tell us something about that also?
Yeah, so like I said, first he helped me figure out what my end goal is. Then we figured out what the companies want. If I want to do that, what kind of companies I can get into, and then what the companies want. So then we came up, okay, this course would help you achieve your goal. And then the top universities that are offering this course. Now, when we talk about top universities, they are spread across various countries, right? Now we have to choose based on my budget that, okay, this country is feasible for you, this country is feasible for you, this might not work for you. So it was an entire process, and yeah, I ended up selecting Ireland and Germany. So yeah.
Thanks, Mithali. You have given a lot of insight about working with me, but you got to work with different people also. Like you worked with Rajesh, you worked with Naman, and so many other people. Mm-hmm. So how was it overall working with the team?
I would say the entire team is very accessible, and they are always ready to answer whatever. Again, I have a lot of questions, so they are always ready to answer, clarify the doubts, reassure you, okay, it's gonna be fine and you're going to get this, it's going to be done, you don't have to worry about it. So yeah, and in the beginning when I was looking for consultancies, I haven't made a decision yet. During that time, I had multiple calls with Naman, and he was like, okay, I will talk to my senior and let you know what we can do for you and all of that, back and forth. So it was really a good experience.
Great. So you're saying that they are very approachable and supportive?
Yes, definitely.
So would you recommend
me being an introvert, I have difficulty talking with people, but everyone in the team whom I have talked to, they have made it very easy for me. So
would you recommend I study abroad to your friends, or would you like to recommend our service to others?
To be honest, I already have.
Okay.
Yeah, so I have told a bunch of people about you guys and how you have helped me through the entire process, and like you have made me the priority. What my choices are, that is a priority, and not what like some consultancies have tie-ups with colleges, right? So they will try to push you towards those colleges. So I did not feel that here, and so yeah, it has been very supportive. I have had a very supportive experience. So I've already recommended you guys to a bunch of people.
Thank you for doing that.
Thank you for doing that.
Okay. So the last question from our end is like, were there any difficulties you've encountered, and what you think could be more supportive to you?
Okay, one thing that I would like to mention is the scholarships. I mean, you guys are already taking care of most of it, but like I am looking for a bunch of scholarships, right? And I'm trying to majorly fund my education through that. So your team is majorly focusing on the scholarships provided by the universities and that particular country, right? I would like to go beyond that. So that is something, I mean, you did help me with that. I did get a list from you, but like if you could get more in depth of that, so it would be a bit more helpful. Other than that, I have had no complaints, to be honest.
Yeah, the main reason with that is usually because as it is, those scholarships are not under our control. We do not control it.
Correct.
We are not saying anything about it. That's why. And they are. The scholarship is so small. There's so many people asking for it, so it becomes very difficult for me to run after it. And when you are talking about scholarship, I think that you are talking about the Indian scholarships.
Mostly that, yeah.
Okay, Mithali, we will keep that in mind. That's not a problem. Final question from my side. Okay. Now this is something that I wanted to ask you because when you came to us, we did told you that we will do some profile building and all.
Yeah.
Yeah. We did give you some projects to work upon also. How did you find them?
Yeah. Have I not mentioned this during our conversation yet? And another thing that I really liked about you guys, like you helping me with the courses, yes, you taking care of the entire process, taking up the burden completely, another thing. But you helping me with the profile building was another thing that I wanted to mention and I just completely forgot about it. And so I had good scores, I had some volunteer work and all of that. But you helped me make my profile stronger. And it was not just in one day you said and it's like you will just say and it's done. You helped me through the entire process and it was months of work from both of our ends. So that is again another USP of your team.
Thank you.
Good. Thanks a lot, Mithali, for taking your time and coming up over here to have this chat with us. It was really appreciated. Okay. Don't worry
Thank you for taking out time and helping me through the entire process.